Okay, this is my version of CCing the heads. I made my own disc, plastic disc in here. There's a few videos out there on how to do it. And, just basically a round disc. Put some assembly lube around the edge to create a seal. I got this syringe from the pharmacy. Should have seen the look on their face when I asked for a 60cc syringe. He handed me this. It's only 10, but I can do math, so what I'm gonna do, fill it up to 10. Sure I got no bubbles. Come on. So right at 10 with that. There's 10. $20. 30. 40. 50 is real close. A little bit of an air pocket in there. Come on, bubble. We're at 50 for sure at this point. Couple taps. Maneuver it around a little. There's 50. A little bit tricky, making sure that air bubble. That's it, right to the top. Looks like 56 and 56 heavy, I'll call it. 56 and a little more. So with this syringe, it's marked in milliliters. Did a little research. I asked my wife, who happens to be in the medical field, but they're two different terms for the same thing. So I got 56.2 milliliters, which is 56.2 cc's. Same thing. So I measured the other side just to double check, and it was coming out a full cc less. So I double checked the other side just to make sure, and I actually read the syringe wrong. It was, this one's 55.4 and this one was actually 55.2. So they're within 0.2 of a cc, which I'm guessing is not too bad. I'm gonna do the other side and see where it lands. So I checked the other side. I did the cc's. This side I had 55.4 right there on that the chamber there, and then 55 on the other one. So I got a decision to make. Do I just average them out and just run with it, do the math with the average? I mean, I'm gonna do that anyway, but that's almost a half a cc in my mind. I don't know, you know, if that's a big deal or not. I don't know what exactly to do. But as I'm looking at these right here, I don't know how well it shows up there. Right there, it's a little bit pushed out towards the side. You know, it's a little bit of a divot there, where this one's more rounded. I don't know how well that shows up, but I'm thinking if I grind that little bit of right there, that'll give me my half a cc to even these up. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Wish me luck on that. So I did grind it out, and after I ground it, I looked and I noticed, holy shit, where did it go? I noticed anyway that, see, what I was trying to do is match this side, and in all reality, I should have taken it off this side so it would be on both intake valves. What I ended up doing was matching this side with this side. Being a newbie at this, you know, I didn't think it through all the way. So with that said, though, I'm looking at it. There's a little bit of a shelf here, and it really sucks that it's on the exhaust side, because that's, you know, where it's going to make the biggest difference. But, you know, looking at these, they're not perfectly symmetrical. You know, they weren't, you know, this wasn't perfectly symmetrical anyway. So, and my main concern was trying to match the cc's. I'm almost a half a cc off. I don't know what significance that is, but, you know, to me, it kind of bothered me. So I figure if I can get a half a cc out of it by taking just a little bit off the corner here, then, you know, it wouldn't hurt, and at least it would match as far as, you know, the cylinder size goes. So with that, I'm gonna re-cc this and see where I'm at. I should be closer, if not spot on, at this point.